Fast Learner Solutions YouTube channel. My name is Ben Adansi. We are here to discuss English language. The topic of today says vowel sound. Before I proceed, please subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Now, let's go on with the vowel sound. What is vowel sound? Vowel sound is a vocal sound made without an obstruction of air. Under this topic now, we shall be looking at three facts. We're looking at three facts. One, we're looking at the monotongue, or pure vowel. Two, we are looking at diphthong. And lastly, triphthong. Out of these three, we shall be considering only two: the monotongue or pure vowel, and two, the diphthong. Let me start with the monotongue. Or pure vowel. The monotongue or pure vowels is classified into 12. Out of these 12, we have 5 short vowels. We have 5 short vowels. We have 5 long vowels. And we have 2 central vowels. 2 central vowels. Any question? Okay, no question. The monotongue or pure vowels are classified into 12. We have 5 short vowels, we have 5 long vowels, and we have 2 central vowels. Now, I would like us to treat one after the other. Let me start with the first one, which is called the five short vowel. The 5 short vowel, which is known as what? We have the R, we have the A, we have the E, we have the O, and we have the U sound. When you go to English, when you go to letters, you call this A, but in vowel we call it R. You call this E, but in vowel we call it A. You call this I, but in vowel we call it E. Then we have this one called O, but in vowel we call it O. And the last one, which is called U, in vowel is called U. Now, looking at the first one, we have the R sound. In R, we have words as this. We have bat, we have cat, we have run, we have pat, and what have you. Now, the second one, we have the S sound, bed, we have set, we have let, we have fell, we have men, and what have you. The third one, we have the E sound, we have the beat, we have seat, we have feet, we have lit, we have kid, and what have you. Then the fourth one, which is the O sound. We have pot, we have court, we have lot, we have salt, etc. Lastly, we have the U sound. We have book, we have cook, we have loot, we have look, etc. Now, when you look at these very ones now, they are short vowel because they are pronounced in a short manner. We have the bat, cat, run, pan, etc. We have bet, set, let, fell, men, etc. We have beat, sit, feet, lit, kid, etc. We have the all sound, pot, caught, lord, sword, etc. And lastly, we have the book, cook, look, etc. When you're pronouncing this short vowel, you must pronounce them based on their sound and not the letter, based on the sound. The next one is the 5 long vowel. We have the 5 long vowel. 5 long vowels, which are we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. Now, if you look at it, the 5 short vowels, they don't have a column. But when you look at the 5 long vowels, there is a column attached to the sound. Now, in this pronunciation, they have been pronounced in a long manner. We have the A, we have E, we have E, we have O, we have U. To make this easy for the students, this is recommended for them. Like the first one now, we have the R sound. In this place now, we are looking for words that have this pronunciation, that have AR in their pronunciation. For example, we have car, we have Mars, we have part, we have farm. Then the next one now is the air sound. Here we are looking for words that have this sound, or this. This is called Here now we have, we have bed, we have gay, we have nest, pairs, and so forth. The next one is the E sound. Here we are looking at these letters. Here we have meat, we have beat, we have seat, we have feet, and so forth. The fourth one is the O sound. Here you're looking at words that have OR on them. For example, we have Lord, we have cat, we have pot, and lastly we have pod, etc. The last one is the U sound, the long U sound. Here we have double O, O-O-L. Words that have O-O-L goes in this format. We have pool, we have cool, we have even the moon is long U sound, we have fool, and so forth. Now, if you look at the short vowels and the long vowel, there is something that differentiates them, which is the column. And for the student to find this very easy, if they can get used to all these letters, it will be easy for them to answer questions in WAEC. Now, we have the R sound, the A sound, the E sound, the O sound, and the U sound. Under the R, we have car, Mars, part, farm. Then under the A sound, we have bed, girl, next, pegs. Under the E sound, we have meat. So under the E sound, we have meat, beat, seat, and feet. Then under the O sound, we have Lord, cart, part, card. Then lastly, under the U sound, we have pool, cool, moon, fool. So with this now, we are done with the 5 short vowel and the 5 long vowel. Then lastly, we are looking at the 2 central vowels. We are looking at the 2 central vowels. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, learn, and comment on our YouTube channel. Let's continue. we have the two central vowel. Now these are the sounds. They sound like this. These are the two central vowel. And here we have the ah, and here is called da. Ah, da. For you to be easy, for easy way for the student, if they can have, we have words under this R. We have calm, which can be translated to this. This is calm. We have blood, which can be translated to this. This is blood. We have study, which you can translate to this. Study. Then lastly, we have the da. Sorry. Here we have words like this: mother. We have father. We have the. We have head, etc. I believe with this segment you have learned one or two things. Stay tuned for our next meeting. Thanks.